guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I bring you this eye look here. Okay, here I am using the It's My Pleasure palette by ColourPop. This beautiful palette. How pretty is that? Oh, yes, I literally love this palette. Like, I love this palette. But yeah, you guys, today I bring you this easy, simple, like this is really easy and really simple. All the shades in one palette, except for one shade, just because I was being like really picky. But basically you could achieve this eye look with just one palette, and I'm really happy because this is 1, affordable, and 2, amazing, and 3, worth the money. So yes, you guys, let's get into the video. The eyes again today. And I'm gonna set my eyes. Where's my little mirror? I found it. I love this little mirror. I got it at the dollar store. And it's so cute. So anyways, it has a zoom part. Like, you know how you like zoom into your face on those little flip mirrors? Like one of these mirrors. It's so cute. I'm gonna set my eyes with the ColourPop concealer. I really like this concealer. I see why people are like hyped up about it, to be honest. We are going to set the lids with the ColourPop setting powder and banana. Okay, so we're gonna go in with It's My Pleasure palette from ColourPop, and it's so pretty. Look at this. Woo. Since my last video I did like a pretty dramatic Valentine's Day look, I'm gonna do a more subtle Valentine's Day look for my beginners. I'm gonna start going in with my Morphe G17 brush. They no longer make these brushes, and that's very sad. But I'm gonna go in with, I think I'm gonna go in with Pretty Cruel in the crease. And this is gonna be a very, very, very simple eye look. Like, very simple. Well, that's not really brown enough for me. I think I'm gonna go in with my bronzer. This is the ColourPop Bits and Pieces pressed powder bronzer. And it looks like this. I have it in a Z palette that I created, this little one here. I wanted something more brown. Actually, sorry that I keep changing, but I'm gonna use Outdoorsy from Dose of Color in my crease. You can use any brown in the crease. You could use a bronzer, or just like a brown shade that looks like this guy right here. You know, not too brown, but not too light. It's just that Pretty Cruel is just a little bit too purple for right now. Actually, this has a little purple in the crease, so I'm gonna have to go in with Pretty Cruel in the other eye. That was not my intention. It's okay. The show must go on. I'm gonna put it all over the lid as well. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with Pretty Cruel. Because this eye looks a little bit more purpley in the crease, I wanted to match this eye. But if I hadn't gone in with Pretty Cruel in the crease, I would have just left it like this, because that's really what I want. I'm gonna add a little bit of Pretty Cruel. These shades are really pretty though, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, and next I'm gonna go in with Fan Fiction. Yeah, Fan Fiction, which is this color here. The bottom, the second bottom shade. I'm gonna apply that on my lid and a little bit in the crease. I add the NYX Glitter Primer to my lid. And I'm gonna add just a little amount, literally this much, if you guys could see that. I think the camera's picking it up, but it's okay. I'm gonna apply that to the lid, just like so. I'm gonna go in with Mr. Sandman. which is this shade right here, with my finger. Oh my gosh. Oh, wow. Do you guys see that? Mr. Sandman is not playing with the pigment. Oh my gosh. It is amazing. Okay, and we're gonna do the same thing to the other eye. Whoop! My brush almost fell. We're gonna go in with a little bit of the glitter glue, no, the glitter primer from NYX on the other eyeball. And we're gonna put, oh my gosh, do you guys see how beautiful that is? Oh my gosh. We're gonna go in right here. And I like to tap it in so it can get tacky and bring a little bit to your like tear duct area. Okay, I don't know when my camera stopped recording, I'm sorry. Another crease again, I added Fan Fiction and Outdoorsy, Fan Fiction from the palette, and then Outdoorsy from Dose of Color. And now I'm gonna go in with Earth Shine with my finger and put it right on top in the middle of Mr. Sandman. And it like gives it like an extra pop. Not that we need an extra pop, but you know, if you want to be extra. Oh, that's basically it for the eyes. I'm gonna go off camera and I am going to try to get a wipey. I need to stop using my daughter's wipies because she has makeup and so she doesn't use my makeup wipes, which are expensive. I bought her some Huggy wipies and I've been using them. I should buy wipies for the both of us, to be honest. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna go off camera and I'm gonna do my base and contour and all that, and I'm gonna come right back with to finish up the eyes. Okay, guys, so we are back with our highlighter and our bronzer and the highlight. I mean, look, the highlight. Where's my ring? Oh, where's my other ring? Anyways, I forgot to contour my nose. Like always, I'm gonna go in with my small tapered blending brush by Jessup, and I'm gonna go in with this shade right here, and this is the e.l.f. contouring palette in the shade Deep, and I am going to contour the nose. There we go. Our nose is contoured. We are going to finish the eyes. I'm gonna go in with a. Let me see if I can find a brush to go under my eyes with. I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. brush from their $1 line. Let me make sure there's nothing on here. I'm gonna use the e.l.f. crease brush, their white line, which is a $1 line, and I'm gonna go in with Pretty Cruel under the eyes. And I want to go in pretty heavy with this color, I'm not gonna lie. I want to go in with Sleeper, which is this shade right here. It's like a purpley shade. Oh yeah, we're gonna smoke that out. Just the outer part looks so pretty. We're gonna bring it into the outer corner as well, just to blend it in with that other shade up here. And then I'm gonna grab my Morphe. This is a Morphe G24 brush. There's nothing on here. I just want to blend this out right here and blend out the bottom as well. How beautiful does that look, you guys? Like, ugh. I want to go. Oh, almost dropped my palette. I want to go in with the Flower Beauty highlighting palette. And I want to add this more pinky shade. It's right in the middle. You can't really see it on camera, but it's pinky. It's like a pinky shade. Do these have names? These do not have names. But I want like an extra pop in the inner corner. So I'm just going to pop that right there. And that's basically going to give me the effect that I want. Do you guys see that? You see what I'm talking about? Yeah. Oh, I just digged my nail into my highlighting palette. Oh my gosh. What is wrong with me Okay, you guys. Next, we're gonna go in with some mascara. I'm gonna curl my lashes with my Tarte Lash Curler, which is this one right here. I love this lash curler because I feel like it legit curls the ish out of my lashes, and I'm obsessed with it. I feel like it just gets the job done. It's so worth the money, to be honest. And it comes with a mascara. So I think I paid $12 for this lash curler, but it came with a Tarte mascara. Was it 12 or? It was around that price range because it was on sale. So yeah. And I'm gonna go in with the NARS Climate Mascara. And to get the best, I feel like to get the best mascara application, always put a mirror like right under your chin to do the upper lashes or the top lashes, and just coat your lashes as much as you can. And I feel like also to prevent like your mascara getting on your lids, always blink softly while you're rubbing or moving the brush within your lashes. Okay, you guys, next we're gonna apply mascara to the bottom lashes, and now I'm gonna add the Maybelline Lash Discovery to my bottom lashes. Now I'm going to add the Maybelline Long Lasting Drama Waterproof Gel Pencil in the shade Soft Nude. This is a shade Soft Nude, and I am going to apply this to my waterline to open up my eyes. And then I'm gonna reapply the mascara because some of that got on my lashes. And then now I am going to go in with the NYX lip liner in the shade Mauve. Yes, in the shade Mauve. I'm going to sharpen this because it's not sharpened, of course. Why would it be sharpened? Why would it be sharpened? Go in and line the lips. And also I'm gonna fill in my lips too. The reason why I like this pencil because it has like a purpley undertone, which goes perfect with this eye look. But it's also like very simple, you know? Now I'm gonna go in with my ColourPop Ultra Glossy Lippy in the shade Dreamaholic. Yes, Dreamaholic. And it's this beautiful, look at that. Ugh. It looks like my palette. So cute, so cute. Okay, so I'm gonna go in. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Feels really good too. Oh, this is beautiful. I like the little applicator on this. Like a little brush. It is a little bit stiff, but it's so good. It works. I'm gonna go ahead and set the face with my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist Spray. And it's this one right here. This is so good. It smells amazing and it feels awesome. I like to go in with my beauty sponge to set that setting spray in place. And like, look at the highlight. Yes, girl, yes. But yeah, you guys, this is it. Oh no, espérate, wait, hold up. I need to apply I need to set my eyebrows. I am gonna use the Catrice Cosmetics Eyebrow Filler Perfecting and Shaping Gel. What shade is this? I don't know what shade this is. I think it's just brown. I don't know. So yeah, you guys, this is it for this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I'm trying to get back into the swing of things, but yeah, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. And also make sure to follow me on my social media because I alert you guys when I upload on there too. So yeah, you guys, if you like this look, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. I can't speak today. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and even if you didn't like the look, still give this video a thumbs up, okay? Help a girl. But anyways, yeah, I'm obsessed with this eye look. Like, I really am. It was really easy and really cute. Yay, yes, I love it. Anyways, you guys, yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.